So, do you guys have your Salesforce developer org? Everyone?
Yes, I have created.
Okay. Whosoever has not created, we will create a Salesforce developer org first for them. So anyone who doesn't have Salesforce developer org, please share their screen. I will post a link in the chat section. You'll have to copy that link and paste it in the browser. Who wants to share their screen?
Shall I share the screen? Do you want me to share?
Yeah.
Can you see me?
Yes, I can see your screen. So this is the sign up page for developer edition for Salesforce org. So enter your first name, last name here, and the valid email address so that Salesforce will send the verification email on your email address.
Job role?
Select role as administrator. Enter company as GuruSchool. Yeah. Select your state. Okay. Now username. So username you will have to enter in the email format. So whatever email you have given, yeah, put exactly same way.
And
Click on that agree button and then sign here. You will receive one email from Salesforce. You will have to verify it and then it will take you to the password creation.
I haven't received any email yet.
It takes some time, so you can refresh and you can check your email. Did you receive an email?
No, not yet. Waiting on it.
In the meantime, have you created, do you have a Trailhead account?
No.
Okay. So after that, we'll create Trailhead.
Do we have a link for that?
Yes, I'll share it in a minute.
Okay.
In the meantime, you can check that. But we'll create this once the developer org is created. Can you check your inbox again? You can stop the screen sharing and then you can check your inbox. Check the updates as well, because sometimes in updates
Okay.
you can. Sure.
I think I received the email.
Okay, you can again share your screen.
Okay.
Click on verify account. It will take you to the page where you need to
Yeah.
create the password.
Verify.
Yeah.
Verify account.
Okay, here you will have to enter your password. Okay, confirm your password, and then you can enter the security question. So this security question, it will ask you when you
Mhm.
want to reset your password. Okay, so let's say if you forgot your password, you want to reset it. Okay, that time Salesforce will ask the security question.
Okay.
So remember whatever answer and question you are given with.
Okay. Should I hit on change password now?
Yeah. Okay, great. Now you are in the Salesforce org. Now your Salesforce developer org is created. This is a setup page. Okay. If you want to check your username and password, you can log out and log in back. So in order to do the logout, you will have to click on that avatar icon, that round circle at the top. Yeah. Your profile. Click on that. Now there is a logout button. Click on login. Now you have to log in. Right? So whenever you want to log in the Salesforce org, always try URL login.salesforce.com. Right now it is automatically giving you a customized URL, but the universal URL which we have is login.salesforce.com.
Mm. Hello.
Yeah.
Can
Were
you
you
hear me?
able to log in?
Yeah, I was able to log in.
Okay. Actually, we cannot see your screen.
Okay, I'll share the screen again.
Okay, now we'll create the Trailhead account. So Trailhead is a platform from Salesforce for learning purpose. Okay, so there you will see different modules, units. Okay, and you can complete those module units, and then according to that you will earn some points, and based on that points you will earn some badges. So the link which I shared in the chat box. Okay, just copy that and paste it in the browser. Second one, yes. Okay. Here, click on sign up.
Login.
Sign up. Sign up button is there.
Okay.
Sign up with Salesforce. Enter your username and password. Allow. Select your region and state. Next. Enter company name. Role should be administrator. Continue. Okay. So now your Trailhead account is created. Okay. This is your Trailhead. And here you will see different modules and units. Okay, so if you go to that learn tab beside today, yeah, we have learn tab. So click on modules, second option, second point. Yeah. So here you will see number of modules. So you can add filters as well. Say select the level as beginner, product as sales, Sales Cloud, Sales Cloud. Yeah. Role will be admin.
Need to select.
Scroll down. We have need admin. Limited. Okay, so many author. Okay, leave it. Yeah. So here you will see modules. Okay. Yeah. Scroll down. Click on view more. Scroll down a little bit. Not scroll up. Scroll down.
Down. Okay.
Yeah. Go to the end of the page. Yeah. Click on view more. Okay. Yeah, scroll down. So here you will see so many modules like this. Okay. So what we do is once we send the assignment, okay, for any particular topic, okay, so we also share the Trailhead link as well, okay, related to that topic. So you don't have to search it further. You can directly access that link and complete that particular module. Now click on that round, that view profile at the top beside phone call, and go to profile. Okay. So here you can see how many badges, how many points you have on. Okay. Right now it shows 0 badges, 0 points, and 0 trades. Okay. So once you complete any particular module, okay, or any batch, it will show the points here, 100 points, 200 points, 500 points. So you can share this also with the recruiters. Okay, they can go through your training profile and they can see your skills. Okay. Now, Salesforce developer org and Trailhead is created. So you can stop this screen sharing. We'll go over the Salesforce overview. Okay, just give me a moment. Okay. Yeah. So we will go through the Salesforce basic introduction. Okay. What is Salesforce and how we use it and why we use it. So okay. So as you see on the screen, this is an Excel sheet. Okay. So let's see the introduction from start. So before Salesforce, company used to like use spreadsheet to maintain their data. Okay, like this. For example, let's say that all users in the company need to view the spreadsheet. Then what we can do is we can give them access to the spreadsheet, right? All users in the company can edit it or add new data in it, right? in the spreadsheet. But what happens if so many people are using it at the same time? Spreadsheet can go down slow. Okay. So let's say that if we have a requirement, if one spreadsheet is shared with all the users, okay, and all the users have access to add new data, edit the existing data, but there are some columns which we want to hide it from specific user, okay, so that let's say we have 100 users in the company, okay, all 100 users have access to this particular spreadsheet, okay. Now from those 100 users there are specifically 10 users, okay, to whom we don't want to share this email address field, sorry, email address column, okay. Now can we hide this email column for only those 10 users? No, right? Only for those 10 employees, we cannot hide it. Okay, either we can hide it for all users or it will be available for all users. Okay, so
Yeah.
that means we don't have the fundamental features in it, okay, which we require as a security purpose. We don't have that fundamental features in spreadsheet. Okay. Now, let's go to Salesforce. So, just a minute. Stop this screen share. Okay, I hope you can see my Salesforce screen.
Yes, we can.
Okay, okay. So here also we have the exact same information which we had there in the spreadsheet. Okay, so here we have all the first name, last name, email address, phone number, title, right, and other things, which is the information of leads. Okay, you can see here. Now, if I go to Salesforce, okay, you will see the exact same scenario. We have name, company, state, email address, and other things here, okay, in a table format. Okay, exactly same as spreadsheet. Okay, so now Salesforce is the CRM platform tool which provides different types of services to the companies, right? So Salesforce has tabs just like spreadsheets. You see here at the top, we have tabs. In spreadsheet, we have tabs at the bottom. Okay. Right now I have added only one tab. But if I add one more tab, okay, I can add it. And at the bottom, you can see the tab also. So exactly similar feature we have in Salesforce. So you see here tabs at the top of the page. Then we have rows and columns, right? Just like
Mhm.
spreadsheet, we can also sort and filter data in it. We can also search data in it. So for search, we have this global search, okay, and then we have this particular search box. So here you can enter, let's say that I want to search for any specific lead. Okay, so now I can just enter the name of the particular lead if I know, and Salesforce will search it for me. Okay, so you see here in Salesforce things are very cleanly organized, and we can also click on it. Okay, let's say that I want to see more information of this particular lead, so I can click on it. So I'm going to open it in a different tab, and we can drill down it to any record. So here whatever columns we have added here, that is showing, but it has more columns, okay? And in order to see that, okay, I just click on that Bertha Boxer, and now it has opened a new record, okay? And here you will see uh, all the columns which are available for the lead object. Lead. Now, we can also see who has created this particular record, okay, and the full history of its editing. So right now we don't have history enabled here, but once you enable the history, okay, it can also track. It can show what was the old value, what is the new value, when exactly it was updated and who updated it.
Okay.
You can go on mute actually. Yeah. So, okay. So in Salesforce, we can customize the Salesforce org based on any business requirement. Okay. If you want to add new columns in it, okay, right now we have these many columns. If you want to add new columns in it, we can do that. Okay. Let's say, and we have different types of columns. We have drop down columns, we have number, we have phone, we have simple plain text. Okay, so we can add it anytime. We can also create some formulas in it to calculate the values based on other fields. Okay, right now we cannot I mean, we don't have anything for lead, but if you go to opportunities, there you will find amount, field, amount, column, and different columns. So based on that, we can also calculate the values. So for that also, you will have to create a or add a new column in it. We can create relationships between different tables. Okay. So in Salesforce, row means record, column means field, and tab means or table means object. Okay, so always remember that, because from now on we are going to refer these terms. Okay, these are objects. Table means objects. Okay, column means fields. These are fields, and these are records. Okay. So in spreadsheet language, we call it as a row, right? But in Salesforce language, we will call it as record. In spreadsheet language, we call it as columns. These are name, company, state, email. But in Salesforce language, we will call it as um, fields. Okay, and these are the objects. So one table means object. So we are going to refer it. Okay. So, as I mentioned earlier, we can create relationship between different objects slash tables. So let's say that we have lead object, we have another object, so we can create a relationship between those two objects. Okay, we can customize it without writing any single line of code as an admin. Okay, so let's go back to our requirement for the spreadsheet where we wanted to hide one particular column for specific users. Okay, so we can do that in Salesforce. So if you want to hide a particular field from specific user using security control, we can do that. We can give access to record field, we can remove access, right? So Salesforce has a very strong security model. So whenever we will start with the security model, I would request everyone to join all the sessions of the security model, because it is very important topic in Salesforce, right? And most of the interview questions are asked on security question. Okay. And we can also create some automations, okay, For example, let's say whenever a new lead comes in Salesforce, our sales user, what they do is they send an email, right, to each and every email stating that some generic email that thank you for showing interest in our product or services, right? We will get back to you, something like that. It is a generic email. But if our sales users are manually editing the email and sending the email to each and every user, it will be time consuming, right? And it will affect on their productivity because their main job is to sell products, right? Not to send the email address. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can create the automation in Salesforce, and that automation will take place, okay, and it can send the email automatically to all the newly created leads. So our sales user now, they don't have to write the email manually and they don't have to send the email manually to each and every user. Instead of that, they can use their time, right, to um, do more efficient work. Okay, so we can always create the automation as well. So this is the overview of Salesforce. So we have a strong security module. We can create new automations. We can always create new objects, fields, okay, and other things. Any question here?
No.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, so this is the Salesforce basic introduction or overview. We are going to see each and everything in detail in upcoming sessions. Okay, so today what we did is we first created Salesforce developer org, then we created Trailhead, and now the Salesforce introduction. So first two sessions will be theory sessions. Okay, so we are not going to send any assignment to you. So from day 3, okay, we are starting our practicals. So once the topic is completed, I'm going to send the assignment on the WhatsApp group. Okay, from there you can download it. And in that assignment, we have some scenarios which are created by us, and then you will always find the link for Trailhead module as well for your practice. And for some assignments, we can also give some extra links. Okay, so yeah, let me stop the screen sharing. That's it for today. Okay, yeah, we'll see you in the next class.
Thank you.
Thank you.